Good morning.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, well today, this is what we're going to learn today. Here's the objective. So today you're going to learn about how to change adjectives to adverbs. So you're going to learn the difference between adjectives and adverbs. Okay? So adjectives describes nouns. Adjectives describes nouns. Adverbs describe actions. It means the verb. You know, the verb is an action. So we have an example here. Look at this example about Tanya. Tanya is a polite manager. Right here, polite is the adjective. It is describing how Tanya is. She's a polite person. She's a polite manager. Okay? So, on the other example, she always speaks politely. See how this change? We form an adverb here. Here was an adjective, change it to an adverb here. We usually add ly to form the adjectives. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
See? Okay. Do you remember what is nouns, right? Noun. What is a noun, Ariana?
The nouns are person, place, or things.
Yes, exactly. So person. Tanya is a person. Okay. A place. Let's make the sentence using a place. Let's say, let's describe Odessa. So we say the adjective describes. So how is Odessa? Odessa is hot. Hot is an adjective. Hot and beautiful. Well, not really, no, but let's say it's beautiful. So we are describing here Odessa. It's hot and beautiful. Adjectives here. Okay. So here on this screen, it explains very well. It explains the adverbs. It says, an adverb describes a verb. It often answers the question, how? So to find, if you're not sure how to find an adverb, ask how. Answer how. Like here, we have an example. How is Sam running? She is running slowly. Slowly. Responde a la pregunta ¿cómo? Okay. ¿Cómo está corriendo Sam? Está corriendo lentamente. Lentamente. Slowly. Okay, we have another example here. How does Layla walk? How does Layla walk? No.
She walks quickly.
She walks quickly. Ella camina rápidamente. So, los adverbos es como la terminación mente. Lentamente, rápidamente. Okay? We usually form an adverb by adding ly to the adjective. ¿Sí? Usualmente formamos el adverbo poniéndole la ly. Like quick is the adjective. Quickly, the adverb. Rápido, rápidamente. Slow, slowly. Adjective, adverb. When an adjective ends in y, we change the y to I before adding ly. You understand this? Happy ends with y.
Happily.
Happily. Yes. So we're gonna change the y to I before adding ly. See? We remove the y or change it for an I and add ly. Cambiamos la y por el latino y vamos a agregar ly. When an adjective ends in a consonant plus le, we usually drop the e before adding y. Example, terrible ends with an E. Terrible. We're gonna drop the E and just add L-Y. L-Y. Terribly.
Terribly.
Ajá. Terrible, terriblemente. Entonces, si termina en consonante más la LE, we're gonna drop the, vamos a quitar la E. Here's another rule. These are rules that you're gonna have to learn, to memorize. So, when an adjective ends in L, we add ly. Cuando ya termina en la L, nomás agregamos ly. Careful. It ends with Y. Carefully. Carefully. Okay? This is an irregular adjective. Good is an irregular. So the adverb is well. Well. He isn't feeling well. Well is describing the action, feeling, the verb. Okay, so comparison, para comparar. We use more plus adverb plus than to compare two actions. Layla runs quickly, but Sam runs more quickly than Layla. See, this is adverbs. Both are adverbs. Adverbs, but it's comparing how Layla runs with how Sam runs. So, who runs more quickly?
Who run Sam?
Sun. Sons runs more quickly.
Run more quickly
than Layla. Some adverbs have irregular forms. Algunos tienen forma irregular, as I say. Look here. Alex cooks well, but Ricardo cooks better than Alex. Okay? So well is the adverb. It's describing the action, the verb cooks. And then here we have Ricardo cooks better. This is the adverb to compare. Make sure that you understood the rules for the adverbs. So we're going to do this together. Okay, we're going to do this exercise together. I'm going to ask Norma if you can do number 1, please.
We are going to be late. Let's work quickly.
Quickly, yes, very good. So quickly is the adverb. It describes how are we going to walk. Walk quickly. So, Ariana, do number 2, please.
The baby can sleep with this noise. Please talk quietly.
Quietly, very good. Norma, number 3.
This cake is terrible. I baked badly.
Badly. Yes. Okay, number 4, Jenny.
You must drive carefully. You must drive carefully.
Carefully. Great. Diana, can you do the next, number 5?
The question isn't difficult. I can answer it easily.
Easily. Great. Number 6, Jenny.
The little girl loves ice cream. She's eating it happily.
Happily. Yes. Next.
This is great work. They have done their job well.
Very good. Okay, so on the worksheet that I passed, do you have it ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to go over this worksheet. You're supposed to circle for adjectives and underline for adverbs. Okay, let's read. Norma, can you read the first paragraph and tell us which one is, if it's adjective or if it's an adverb?
What?
No, just the first paragraph.
Okay.
Here through restaurant.
Server. Okay. Server and customer.
Interact.
Sorry. Server interact with customer serve them their food at restaurant.
Good. Keep going. You keep going.
Oh,
just
okay.
You need to
To do
find
their job well, they have to be courteous.
Courteous, hasta ahí.
Mhm.
So on that sentence, did you find an adjective?
Yes.
Which one?
Server and customers.
Okay. No, those are nouns.
No.
Yes, those are nouns. So it says servers interact with customers and serve them their food at restaurants. Sorry, to do their jobs well. What is well? An adverb or an adjective?
Adverb.
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 Yes. They have